Apples. These are candy apples. Baby. The baby is playing. Back. She has a strong back. Ball. The ball is black and white. Bear. The bear is doing exercises. Bed. The rabbit is under the bed. Bell. The man rang the bell. Bird. The bird is very small. Birthday. It is her birthday today. Boat. The dog tried to get into the boat. Box. The appliance is in a box. Boy. The boy likes hamburgers. Bread. He is slicing the loaf of bread.
Brother. Bart is Lisa's brother.
Cake. The cake has strawberries on top. Car. The car went too fast and went off the road. Cat. The cats are meowing. Chair. The dog is under the chair. Chicken. The chickens are afraid of the plastic chicken. Children. The children are doing karate. Christmas. The boy got a dog for Christmas. Coat. Hang your coats up here. Corn. He eats corn very fast. Cow. The cow has long hair. Day. Day becomes night and night becomes day. Dog. The dogs are wagging their tails. Doll. The girls are playing with the doll. Door. He closed the door. Duck. The duck is running fast. Egg. She had a problem breaking the egg. Eye. His eyes are green. Farm. They live on a beautiful farm in the countryside. Farmer. He is a farmer. Father. Father's Day is in June. Feet. Move your feet up and down. Fire. The fire is burning well. Fish. The fish is happy. Floor. The floor of this room is brown. Flower. The flower bloomed. Game. Do you know how to play the board game Monopoly? Garden. We grow vegetables in our garden. Girl. The girl is watching the candy. Goodbye. Mickey waves goodbye. Grass. This grass is soft. Ground. The leaves are falling to the ground. Hand. Your hand has 5 fingers. Head. The coach shook his head. He didn't like the play. Hill. She fell off the hill. Home. The children fight a lot at home. Horse. She loves her horse. House. We live in this house. Kitty. This cat is small. She is a kitty. Legs. You run with your 2 legs. Letter. This letter is addressed to Jack Nicholson. Man. This man is dressed nice. Men. These men like Nivea skin cream. Milk. Do you take milk in your coffee? Money. He is rich. He has a lot of money. Morning. It is 9 a.m. in the morning. Time to get up. Mother. The mother kissed her little girl. Name. Her name is Lauren Bacall. She is a famous actress. Nest. The birds have a big nest. Night. It is a dark night. Paper. This is a ball of paper. Party. The children are enjoying the party. Picture. I like her picture. Pig. The pig is happy. Rabbit. The rabbit is cold. Rain. It is raining hard. Ring. This ring is cool. Robin. Robins love eating worms. Santa Claus. Santa Claus went down the chimney. School. The students love school. Seed. The seed is open. Sheep. The sheep is fat. Shoes. There are many kinds of shoes. Sister. Lisa is Bart's sister. Snow. The snow is falling softly. Song. Which song do you sing at karaoke? Squirrel. The big squirrel isn't real. Stick. The dog has a stick in its mouth. Street. Our street is busy at night. Sun. The sun is shining. Thing. What kind of thing is this? Table. You play table tennis on a table. Time. What time is it? Top. The cat took off the top. Toy. The toy scared the baby. Tree. Trees are beautiful. Watch. I like this watch. Water. The water is perfect for a swim. Way. The arrows go to the wrong way. Wind. The wind is strong. Window. She is looking out the window. Wood. The man is chopping wood. Woman. She is a businesswoman. X-ray. Get an X-ray to see if there is a problem. Year. There are 12 months in a year. Yellow. My favorite color is yellow. Zoo. There are many animals in a zoo. The end.